Hello everyone. So in today's video we will learn about arithmetic progression. So whenever you see such sequence of numbers like I write 2, 5, 8, 11 up to so on like that, or suppose I write 3, 5, 7, 9 up to so on like that. So whenever you see any sequence of numbers and you notice that difference between each consecutive term is same. So if you see here, what is the difference between 2 and 5? It's 3. What is the difference between next two terms? It's 3, right? So the difference is constant. Okay, then this type of sequence is known as arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence. Okay, here the difference is 2. So this is also an arithmetic progression. Okay, so how do we represent these sequence? You know what, here we represent the sequence with like this. First term is known as A1, second term is known as A2, third term is known as A3, and then up to so on. We don't know how many terms we have. So in general we say nth term is an. Okay, nth term means they can ask you find 100th term, find 200th term, or find 50th term like that. So that n is that value that we don't know about. Okay, so here suppose we have, then here in this sequence if I write, okay, then A1 is what? A1 is 2, right, in first sequence. What is A2? A2 is 5. What is A3? A3 is 8, like that. Okay, after this we should know about the difference as well. The difference is common between each consecutive term. That is why it is known as common difference, and it is denoted by D. So here what is D? D is 3 here. Okay, and then how do we find the nth term? Nth term, that is equal to first term. First term is A1. First term plus n minus 1 times D. Okay, so if I ask you now find 50th term of this AP, 50th term, that means you will write A50 is equal to, what is first term? First term is 2 plus 50 minus 1 times D. What is D here? 3, right? So 2 plus 49 times 3, right? So 50th term will be 3 9s are 27, 2 and this 14, right? So 50th term is 149. This is how we find nth term of any AP. Okay, some general notations that this is nth formula. This is sum of n terms. We will do question on sum of n terms as well. And then A is first term, D is common difference, N is number of terms, L is also called last term. Last term is also known as L, last term. Okay, so here we have first question. Find the nth term of AP 3, 7, 11, 15. Here A is equal to 3, right? First term. Okay, usually we write AP like this, A1, A2, A3 up to so on AN, right? But sometimes we write it like this as well. A like first term, second term is A plus D, because the difference between each term is like that, A plus 2D. Okay, up to so on, AN is what? A plus n minus 1D, like that. Okay, so sometimes we write A1 is equal to 3 or we write A is equal to 3, that doesn't matter. Okay, A means first term. Okay, then what is D here? D is common difference. As you can see, the difference between each consecutive term is 4. So D is 4, right? After that we need to find 10th term. So that means N is 10. So what will be A10? A10 will be equal to A plus 9D, right? Because A1 first term is A, second term is A2 is A plus 1D, right? Third term is A plus 2D, right? Nth term is A plus n minus 1D. So if it is 10 here, we will be having 9, right? So A means 3. 3 plus 9 times 4. It is equal to 3 plus, what is 9 times 4? 36. So that means 10th term is equal to 39, right? Then we have second example, finding sum. Now we need to find the sum. Sum means now we know our AP is this, 5 plus 9 plus 13. Why I am writing plus? Because now we need to find the sum, right? Okay. What is A here? A is 5, right? What is D here? D is 4, right? And there is a formula for adding all the sums or finding the sum of all the numbers here, Sn. It is denoted by Sn, and that is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Or you can write it as, there is another formula as well. If you know the last term, n by 2 a plus last term, if you know, but here we don't know last term. Okay, so we can just apply this formula. We need to find the sum of 15 terms. That means we need to find S15. So what is n here? That means n is equal to 15, right? So we have 15 by 2, 2 times 5, a is 5, right? Plus n minus 1 means 15 minus 1, that is 14 times, what is d? 4. Are you getting it? If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. 15 by 2, this is 10 plus 14 fours are 56, right? Here 15 by 2 times 56 plus 10 is 66. So we get 33, and that is equal to 15 times 3 is 45, 4 carry, 15 times 3, 45 plus 4, 495. So S15, sum of 15 terms is what? 495, right? Then we have one real world example. A person saves rupees 100 in the first month, increases savings by rupees 50 each month. Okay, so in first month, suppose he saved 100, then he is increasing savings by rupees 50 each month. Next month, how much he would save? He would save 150, right? And after that he would save 200 in third month. In fourth month he would save 250, and then up to so on. And now we will read our question. How much will they save in 12th month? First of all, we need to find A12, right? Because they are asking for 12th month. So A12 is equal to A plus 11D, right? Okay. What is A here? We will write A is 100, right? And what is D here? D is 50. Okay. So A12, in 12th month they would save 100 plus 11 times 50. That is 100 plus 550. That is equal to 650. So what is 12th term? 12th term is equal to 650. Okay. Then they are asking, what is the total savings in 1 year? Total saving means we will have to add all these savings. Whatever we saved in first month plus second month plus third month, like that we will have to find S12. Like in 12 months, what is the total? Total means sum. Sum means S12. Okay. And the formula is 12 by 2 n by 2 a plus L. A plus L means, because here we know the last term. I told you two formulas. If you know the last term, then you just write L here and first term. Okay. What is 12 by 2 is 6. What is A? 100. And last term is 650. Right? So 6 times 750. Right? So when you multiply them, 6 5s are 33 and 4500. Right? So in 12 months, how much they save? He saved 4500 rupees. right? So I hope you understood what is arithmetic progression, common difference, first term, nth term, and sum of n terms. So if you liked it, do subscribe to my channel, and you can visit my channel for more concepts and Olympiad questions and short tricks as well. Thank you.